Hey, Jack the Chain Happy here. Welcome to Cambrils. This is on the Madrid to Barcelona line. You'll see services by Renfe and some freight. And this is this is the holiday we've been in. This is the holiday we are in. We just bought Ryanair and put in for the video. And there's a crossing that you cross the tracks and get onto the other side of the platform, obviously. Not till there's a train coming. Let's see what will arrive at the port at Cambrils. Also, guys, thanks for the subscriber special for 16 subscribers special for 16 subscribers, and also, this is one of the most beautiful places in the world, Spain. Well, actually, in Leeds. Because we're actually in Barcelona, to be honest with you. We'll see what will come in, because there's a green light over there. You can see there's a green light over there. Right, let's see if we can find the next train. Okay, there should be a train coming shortly. Oh wait, I forget what it means. The next train to arrive is going to be a service to Barcelona Sants from Tarragona, I think. It says it's maybe going to Barcelona Sants. Yeah. Yeah, we'll move further up. Yeah. It's such a long platform, actually. Okay, just arriving in now is going to be a train. Is it Renfe? So it may be coming from Tarragona to Barcelona Sants. There's no destination boards in this station. But thank gosh there's maps here tomorrow. So it's gonna go to the Barcelona Sants. So this is Renfe. Our first train in Cambrils. This is a Renfe service, and we could be able to get some passing ones too. There's actually steps in this train, so we'll pause it until it departs. Or just depart now. It's going to be the service to Barcelona Sants or in Tarragona, I think. Off it goes to Barcelona. Okay, there should be an express train about 15 minutes, guys. So, there was an announcement that please keep your luggage at all times. So we'll wait for the next train to pass through. Okay, passing through is gonna be a fast train, which is actually an express train. Okay. So you can hear the bells ringing. Yeah, we'll see a platform 1.
Who's going to Valencia or Barcelona? Did they say?
It might go to Valencia.
So if you hear the attention and then you know it's a fast.
We know that. I hear the alarm bells. That might be going to Madrid or it might be the Scorpio ones, which are in Scotland, to be honest. These are the trains we remember. We know the Class 320s, the Class 318s and almost everything.
I can see it coming. It's going to Valencia.
Okay, passing for there is going to be an express train from Barcelona Sants to Valencia. They look like it's going to be super fast, guys. So I'm going to pause it. Okay, it's coming. It looks a lot like an Amtrak. Oh. Oh, here it comes, guys. Woo! Whoa, did you see that, guys? It looks like Amtrak. You know these Amtrak trains, to be honest? Well, that was fast. Next train to pass by is going to be,
Epic.
It's on platform 2.
So is that going to Barcelona or is it going to Valencia?
I think it's down oh wait, we caught the normal express, so it might be the super express, like the Eurostar in England.
Did you hear that? I thought I could hear that. No, it was a bike. It was a bike.
Oh my guys, let me pause.
Platform 1.
Okay guys, it's the next train is about to pass by. It's one of the shed. This one.
Oh, right, you need to get back.
It might be a fast one.
Oh, look, there's another one coming as well, Jack. Look, oh my goodness.
Oh, this one may be coming. Oh, this one on the other direction.
Coming. So where do we look?
This one. So this is another express. That one's heading to Barcelona Sands from Valencia, and this one. Oh, like there's there is one big problem.
Right, you stand back.
Just arriving now, it's going to be a 7-pound for Tortosa. It's got to go to Tortosa. And this one, this train's bound for Tortosa. Okay, right guys. So this train's bound for Tortosa from Barcelona Sands.
Pause, you still filming?
I'm still filming. Oh, it just went by. So that is going to Barcelona Sands from Valencia.
Just be careful.
So it's picking up speed right now.
Yeah. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Good job.
Right, just about the part now is going to be this here is meant for Tortosa from Barcelona Sands. Which is the number 8. R16 to Tortosa.
Can I have my phone back?
Okay, hold on. Thanks for watching this train station at Cambrils. If you did, please like and subscribe. Right, bye now guys.